Good morning, students. Welcome back to science class. How are you, children? I think you are all safe and good. All of you had your breakfast, children? Yes? Good. Take healthy diet daily. Children, we have already learned in the first lesson about food and its importance and what type of food we have to take. How do we chew our food, children? We chew our food with the help of our teeth. So today our topic is lesson 2 all about teeth. We all eat with the help of our teeth. Children, tooth is a singular form and teeth is plural form. Teeth play an important role in our daily life. They help us in many ways. Children, if you want to eat an apple means, what you will do? First, you will bite the apple and next you will cut that apple into pieces in your mouth with the help of the teeth. After that, you make into paste and then you will swallow it. That means after chewing the food thoroughly only, you will swallow the food. Yes, children? Yes. Not only teeth help us to eat, they also help us to talk. They also give shape to our face. Children, have you observed your grandfather or grandmother or your great grandfather or great grandmother? How their face look without their dentures? That means without the support of their teeth set. Yes, children, their mouth collapses onto itself and the lower portion of their face shrinks without the support of their teeth set. And also while eating, they feel difficult to chew the food and they do not like to eat hard food items like nuts, carrots, etc. These are all because of they do not have teeth. This is the example how teeth helps in giving shape to our face. Understood, children? We all have teeth inside our mouth. Chewing is the most important function of teeth. Children, all of you do this activity after the class. Take a piece of apple or a biscuit and put it in your mouth. Then what happens, children? Your mouth begins to water and then the food begins to get wet with the saliva released in your mouth. Then you will start chewing the food unknowingly and then afterwards you will swallow the food. Children, after doing the activity, note down whether the above things were happened or not. Okay, children? In our lifetime, we have two sets of teeth, primary teeth and permanent teeth. First, let us know about primary teeth. These teeth are also known as deciduous teeth, baby teeth, milk teeth, and temporary teeth. These are the first set of teeth. Babies are born without teeth. Children, once ask your parents, when you were born, you are born with teeth or without teeth? Most of us were born without teeth only. Primary teeth become visible only when the babies are about 6 to 12 months old. Most kids have their first set of teeth by the time they are 3 years old. Primary teeth are 20 in number. 10 in the lower jaw and 10 in the upper jaw. What is meant by jaw, children? Jaw is the pair of bones known as lower jaw and upper jaw. They form the framework of the mouth containing teeth. The lower jaw is the bone that forms the lower part of the skull. It is the largest and strongest bone in the skull. The lower jaw along with the upper jaw forms the mouth structure. It is the only movable bone of the skull. Movement of the lower jaw opens and closes the mouth, which helps us to speak and to eat. The lower set of teeth in the mouth is rooted in the lower jaw, whereas the upper set of teeth is rooted in the upper jaw. See this chart, children. This chart is about the development of primary teeth. Generally, the first tooth to come in is the central incisor, that is, the middle front tooth on the lower jaw. Second tooth is the central incisor on the lower jaw next to the first tooth. The next 4 teeth to come in are the 4 upper incisors. They usually develop about 2 months after the same tooth on the lower jaw comes in. The second molars are the last teeth of the 20 primary teeth. The complete set of the primary teeth will last in the mouth from 2.5 to 3 years of age to 5 to 6 years of age. Okay, children, did you understood about the primary teeth? Children, have you remembered when your first tooth had fallen out? I think when you were at the age of 5 or 6 years old, your first tooth may have fallen out. Yes, children, when a child gets to the age of 5 or 6, milk teeth start falling out one by one. As the child grows, new teeth start appearing in the place of fallen milk teeth. When the children are about the age of 12 to 13 years old, they will lose all of their teeth and will have a set of permanent teeth. Okay, children, now let us learn about permanent teeth. Permanent teeth are also known as secondary teeth or adult teeth. Permanent teeth are the second set of teeth. They are 32 in number. Permanent teeth start developing at the age of 5 or 6 and end at 20 years of age. There are 16 teeth in upper jaw and 16 teeth in lower jaw. Permanent teeth can last throughout life if they are taken care properly. Children, after the class, wash your hands and move your finger on your teeth and count the number of teeth you have. Also, count the number of milk teeth that have fallen and also check whether they have been replaced by the permanent teeth or not. And also, children, see any other teeth, how they are, or see your own teeth with the help of a mirror. Are your teeth looking same, children? No, they are not looking same. Our teeth are of different sizes and different shapes. There are different types of teeth in our mouth as they perform different functions to chew different types of food. Each type of teeth has its own action and also supports many aspects of our jaw construction. Understood, children? In the next class, let us learn about different types of teeth and how do they help us. Okay, now note down today's assignment. Write about primary teeth. Thank you, children.